To install the Kolpin Stronghold rail mount kit on your Polaris Expedition, follow these steps. Start by parking the vehicle on a flat level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Take the latching assemblies and bracket and remove the 2 screws from the bottom of the latching assembly. Then install the latching assembly into the opening of the compatible accessory. Repeat on the other side and torque to specification. Next, install the Kolpin Stronghold mount to the bracket with 2 flange hex screws and 2 hex nuts. Now, attach the assembly to the crossbar platform through the port openings to the desired position and fasten bolts. Make sure slide lock feet are clear of port openings before locking into place. Next, install the Kolpin Stronghold mount to the bracket with 2 flange hex screws and 2 hex nuts. Begin by tightening and then torque to specification. Angle of the mount can be changed by loosening the screws and repositioning along the slots. To install the gun boot, slide the gun boot into the mount until the mount locks. To remove the gun boot, press down on the lever to release the gun boot. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.